Ansha. So this video is for all my creative friends out there. In this video I'm going to share how I stay creative and how I overcome creative blocks. If you are in a creative field, then you definitely know what is creative block. Sometimes it's so difficult to overcome it and you are stuck in a phase where nothing creative come in your mind. So yeah, I hope this video helps you if you are facing a creative block or something. So let's start. Diaries and notepads. See, even right now I have a notepad with me. I have so many diaries, notepads always with me. I organize my thoughts like this one. I keep with me all the time in case something strikes. In this one I organize all my ideas and thoughts. On this one I brain dump everything in my mind. For example, if I have an idea for winter, I will write it in summer. No matter I can't apply it for another 6 months, I still write it so that it will help me in that time. Next, silent time or breaks. Once in a while I take some silent time where I sit in a pin drop silence and listen to my inner voice. My mind is telling me what are the thoughts in my mind. Sometimes sitting just idly makes sense and give me new ideas. Next, get inspired. You don't know when inspiration strikes. You don't know what will inspire you. Maybe it's a YouTube video, maybe it's a post from Instagram, or maybe it's just some random song. Anything can inspire you. So always be in the present moment, always be present, always keep your eyes and ears open. And the last thing which I recently started is art journal. For you it can be anything. It can be piano lessons, it can be gardening, it can be anything. The basic idea is some type of creative work that you can do daily or at least every second day. It's the best thing I ever started. I felt it made me so much attentive and inspired, and it inspired me the most. I can express myself through my drawings. So I think this was all for this video. I hope this video helps you. I hope you overcome your creative block and always stay creative. If this video helps you, then give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and comment down below what you do to stay creative. And I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care. Be happy. Bye.